first runners have already crossed the finish line of the Philadelphia Half Marathon, with more coming in every minute.
CBS News Philadelphia's Jasmine Payoute is live near the finish line. Good morning to you, Jasmine.
Good morning, Howard. Jan, we know today was the half marathon along with the 8K race, and as you mentioned, the finishers have already crossed the finish line. Well, the ones who crossed the finish line earlier today, you can see some of them walking by. They're the ones that have the little tin cape surrounding them. I asked some of them how the race went. They said it was fine, but that it did get a little windy. Now we know about 35,000 people are expected to participate in the race this weekend as it enters its 30th year. Now, overall, we know the Philadelphia Marathon weekend has grown tremendously since the first race in 1994, which started as a small local event of just 1,500 participants, has become one of the top 10 marathons in the country. We spoke with one of the racers who says she has made it a habit of winning this race.
My first race was when I was like 19 or 20. I've done it every single year, and I think I've won it every year I've done it since then.
Oh, yeah. So not to brag, but
Not to brag, you know.
what advice do you have to people participating for the first time?
Yeah, definitely. You know, I would say don't do anything different. Set your own pace, hydrate, and just have fun out there.
Now, the marathon race is on Sunday for anyone participating in that. Again, anyone coming to this area should still expect some road closures. Howard, I'll send it to you in the studio.
Now, Jasmine, we know you are not the runner, but I hope you were leading in that cheer station down there.
You know, I am the perfect spectator, Howard. There's a lot of people out here cheering as well.
Yes, you are, Jasmine. Good for you. All right, thanks, Jasmine.